Students, we are doing questions from Concepts of Physics by HCVERMA Volume 1, Chapter 3 Rest and Motion Kinematics, and we are doing questions from Objective 2. Here, more than one option can be correct. The first question is like this. Consider the motion of the tip of a minute hand of a clock. In 1 hour, we have to choose among these options which are correct. The displacement is 0, A. B. The distance covered is 0. C. The average speed is 0. D. The average velocity is 0. First of all, students, if you have gone through this chapter, you are very clear about the definition of displacement, distance, average speed and average velocity. So, based on the definition, let us understand how does the clock function. So, here is a clock right in front of you, and at present my time is showing 2:35. Okay, but I will manipulate the clock so that I can explain to you exactly 1 hour means what. First of all, to make you understand, the tip of the clock means, students, this tip. Please be clear about it. What tip I am talking about? This is the tip of the. Are you able to see? This is a tip. This 8, what is written? The tip end. That is the tip of the clock. So now, from the tip of the clock, it is saying that in 1 hour, let us say that this is the tip being here, let us say 3 o'clock, and after 1 hour, what happens to this clock? This I'll say, this I'll mark as the initial point. This point I'll mark as the initial point. This 12 o'clock point is the initial point. IP I'll mark. And then the final point after 1 hour will also be here. That is, this clock is going to make one complete rotation like this. I hope you are able to understand. In 1 hour, this minute hand will take a rotation like this. So, its displacement, that is a vector from the initial point to the final point. Initial point and final point are coinciding. Therefore, displacement is 0. Therefore, first one is the correct option. The distance covered is 0. Distance covered is the length of the total path covered. That is, you can say like this, that this length of this total path covered from the initial point to final point. That is definitely not 0. Therefore, this option is wrong. Average speed is what? Average speed is total distance covered by total time taken. Total time. First of all, you understand that from the B part, I am very clear about total distance is not 0. Therefore, average speed will not be equal to 0. Therefore, average speed is 0 is a wrong option. Average velocity is what? Average velocity is total displacement divided by total time. We know that total displacement in 1 hour is 0. Therefore, average velocity is equal to 0. Therefore, the fourth option is correct. I hope you are clear, students.